Hey Legends, want to communicate with your squad using voice chat in Apex? Here's how to enable it in under a minute. First, open Apex Legends and click on the gear icon on the top right to access settings. Go to the Audio tab and find the Voice Chat section. Set Voice Chat Record mode to either Open Mic or Push to Talk. Open Mic lets you talk freely, while Push to Talk requires a key press. Push to talk, for the button that you need to press here, you can set this on mouse and keyboard, and you could scroll down and look for push to talk hold. So essentially, if you're holding this key, you'll be able to do in-game voice chats. Next, you have to make sure that voice chat input device is set to your preferred microphone. You can also adjust mic threshold if your teammates can't hear you clearly. Now, jump into a match and use voice chat to confirm if it's working. Look for the speaker icon next to your name when you talk. And that's it. Now you can call out enemies, share loot, and clutch up with your squad. Like and follow for more Apex tips.